Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are not going to cook or doing any cooking tutorial. Today's video, I am going to share with you guys how can we or how can I ignore messages on Messenger on my PC, iPad or iPhone. But in this video, I'm using my iPad. And so because of the new update of Messenger, the ignore messages have disappeared from the setting that ignore messages is no longer there. So because it disappeared and many people are wondering why it disappeared and many people were not so happy about it. And I'm one of them. I was not so happy about it. But now I'm happy because I found out how to do it again. Now this is how I will show you, even though the ignore messages are not in there in Messenger anymore, especially if you are using your iPad or phone device. But to be honest, this ignore messages, yeah, it is still there. We just need to know how to do it. But disclaimer, not every iPad or phone can work on that with this option. Alright, so let's start. So the title of our tutorial topic today is how can I ignore messages on Messenger on my PC, iPad or iPhone. If you are using desktop, it's fine. It's much easier. And yeah, it's much easier with the desktop. So you know, it's an easy way to ignore Messenger messages on your PC, and it can be done directly through Facebook as well. Due to the fact that the Messenger is a built-in app from Facebook, it is natural that you can still configure its setting from it. Alright, so it's very easy. So let's start our tutorial. Okay, so first step, this is my iPad screen. So let's go and open and check my Messenger app first. If it is really the ignore messages option is no longer available in its setting here. Now click your Messenger apps, my Messenger. So let's click it. Now we see that there are different messages here with group chat or single messages here. Now let's try this sa sober group chat here. So what we do first, try long pressing this GC or group chat and let's see what options come up or appear. Let's see if the ignore messages options are still there. Okay, after long pressing the group chat, these are the only options that come up or appear in here. So let's try this another option, just to show you this before we go to the option that we're looking for. Now try to slide the GC to the left and you'll see that the three dots, click on it, and these are the options that come up or appear again. Because this Messenger app is separated from Facebook, so that's what the changes from Messenger apps. So take note, Messenger application. So what we are doing here is just go out here from Messenger and then open our browser. So it depends on what browser you are using. It doesn't matter here. And you can use Safari or you can use Google Chrome. So let's try Google Chrome here. You can always, like what I said earlier, you can also use the desktop, your laptop or computer. All this would work and it's fine. But if you are just using an iPad, then this is good for you. But I haven't tried my cell phone if it does work. But right now I'm using my iPad. Okay, so now we're out from Messenger and go to Google Chrome now or Safari. Just type www.facebook.com, then sign in your Facebook account and your password. Then go to Messenger. Then look for the group chat you want to ignore. If you press hold onto the GC, you don't see the ignore button here. So we don't go there or we don't press hold. We go to, and you also see these three dots, so don't click on that because it's not also in there. Now we go to, just click the GC or open it. But if you open it, they see you that you've opened and seen. So what you'll do, go back to Messenger app, and put this GC to archive first, then put back again to chat inbox. That way, when you open from Google Chrome, they don't see your name there. Okay? Now let's go back to Google Chrome. Now we're out from Messenger and go to Google Chrome now or Safari. Just type www.facebook.com, then sign in your Facebook account and your password. Then go to Messenger. Then look for the group chat you want to ignore. Now here, you'll see this little arrow down. Click that, then you'll see all the other options, which is the ignore button is here. Now click the ignore messages. So let's try. If it is working, then this will pop up. Just click or press the ignore messages. So we'll see if it's really ignore. Okay. So let's get out from here. Let's get out from here. Let's go to the messenger. Let's go to the messenger app. Okay. So, okay. Since we ignore it, you won't see here anymore on the screen, your group chat. So what we do is, you see here, the three dot there, or three line, whatever you call. So there's an option here, chat, message request. So let's go to message request, because it should be in the spam. They should be in the spam. So let's click the spam, and we'll see if it's there. All right. So you see that, then we click that one. So you see that one. It's ignore. It's in spam. So like that one, right? So you'll see that option there, leave or delete. So that's what we're looking for, right? So yeah, so that's it. That's how you do your ignore, because it's no longer there in a messenger application. Because like what I said earlier in my introduction, right, that this is an easy method to ignore messenger messages on your PC or your device. It is an easy way to ignore messenger messages on your PC, and it can be done directly through Facebook as well, due to the fact that Messenger is a built-in app from Facebook. It is natural that you can still configure its setting from it, because Facebook is the original setting. The messenger is just part of it, and the application of it is separate, right? So the that's why you can do everything in Facebook. All the setting is there. Now I hope you enjoy this video and you learn something.